Today we are hosting the first ever Global Carbon Removal National Roadmap Workshop in Kenya. It is actually the first globally, where this conversation started about 2 years ago, actually 2.5 years ago if I'm not wrong, at the World Economic Forum in Davos, where we convened global players around carbon. Our entry to the conversation around carbon removal is that recently we've actually realized that to be able to ensure that we are under 1.5 degrees centigrade pre-industrial age, we need to deploy a couple of solutions in our arsenal. First one, of course, is mitigation. Second is adaptation, which is where a lot of people play in. The third one is carbon removal. Now, in carbon removal, there are two parts to that. The first part is natural means to do it, which is what we know, afforestation and planting trees and all that, and biodiversity. The second one is technological, I think, which is where Konza plays a very big role, because we know that natural means take a lot of time. So we need engineered solutions. But our idea of engineered solutions, we have to be responsible. And so this is why this carbon removal roadmap is important. The sort of focus of this workshop basically is, one, to bring players, both buyers of carbon, technology providers of carbon, standard setters of carbon, because then for the current market is very volatile and there are problems with the standard. And so we are saying, listen, can we, for the first time, bring multiple stakeholders to relook at the standards so that we can be able to ensure that the standards are fair? The second part, of course, is to see what are these technological solutions that are there and how can we scale them up. And for me, that's where Konza undoubtedly plays a role. We have to develop a roadmap for Kenya. And the roadmap signals longevity, because it's a long road towards getting to where we need to be on carbon removal.